Whoa! Hello, hello. Come on in. Check out my new house. We're here in Orlando, Florida. This is the new house. I gotta close that because it automatically closes. We're that technical here. Security first, my friends. So, as you walk in, you can see beautiful artwork there. Come on into the living room here. So basically, just moving into the place, getting everything all set up. We got the living room. We got the billions on loop. Got the 75-inch TV. I was gonna get the 85, but I think the 85 would have been too big. So we got the couch for the lounging. We got the money on the wall there. Simple, baby. The rent is always due. Success is never owned, only rented. Rent is due every day. Is it truth? I don't know. I kind of live by it though. And then into the kitchen area, we got the little island, normal kitchen. It's all been kind of like redone and refinished here. So kind of a nice little layout, nice little bachelor pad type layout here. So this is basically the front. There's like a little kind of patio over here. I'll probably end up putting out some like chairs and like an umbrella over here. But we got the cow leather floor rug thingy-majiggy, little cow leather. You always want one of those. So then coming along, this is the first bathroom, guest bathroom, I guess. This is the guest bedroom, little gaming setup in there. This is my office where I'm working out and trading. Come on in here, check it out. This is the new setup. We got 4 32-inch monitors vertically set. So I've got all my charts, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading view charts on there. And then we've got, Bookmap, we've got the OBS, we got the Trade-Evade stuff. And yeah, what I've done now is I've built this little background as well. Got the Mandalorian helmet. Got the money tree there. We got the plaque from YouTube. We got the bull. Always want the bull on your side there. Got a little astronaut man. What I've done too is I got this green screen, so I can just pull it up whenever I want. If I'm doing like the live stream, stuff like that, so I can pull up the green screen, put it back down, no problem. And then over here, I got my editing station for my Mac, little Mac Mini over there. This is kind of a cool little area. This is where I wake up in the morning. I ride the bike every morning for about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, depending on when I wake up. Burning calories, baby, burning calories. Good way to start the day. You start out in the morning, get the blood flowing, get the juices working. And yeah, this is the new concept little bike there. And then right here, we actually just got this. Or I just got this, what was it, yesterday. This came in yesterday, or Friday. Came in Friday. This is a freezer. And inside of here is water. And the goal is, obviously, this is gonna get freezing cold, and then we'll take morning ice baths, or I'll take morning ice bath. I don't know why I keep saying we, but I'll take a morning ice bath. You wanna do like 3 minutes, basically. 3 minutes in the ice bath. You want the water to be like almost freezing, so there's like chunks of ice floating around. Basically, you turn it on, you let it run, let the ice kind of build up in there, and then you unplug it. It'll keep it cold, and basically for $600, I have an ice bath instead of spending like $3,000 on getting an actual ice bath. We just use the freezer and seal it up. So then, coming back inside now. This is my bedroom. This is actually my bedroom right here. Welcome to my bedroom. You might wonder where I sleep at. Well, it's, they're just on the floor there. But this is actually the master bedroom or primary bedroom walk-in closet there. Not that I have enough clothes. I literally only own black shirts, so it's just gonna be a lot of black shirts in there. And then as you come back here, this is where the magic happens. Got the king size bed. We got little artwork back there. I like this artwork. You can see every morning waking up. You'll figure it out, baby. You will figure it out. It'll work. Whatever the issue is, you'll figure it out. So basically, we got the master bedroom here. This is where I sleep at. And then I like the bathroom here. You got the his and her sinks. Got the gold mirrors. Check this out. Check this out. This is probably my favorite part as well. Is inside here in the shower. There's 2 shower heads. 2 shower heads. I turn on both shower heads, just full blast, super hot, and just stand there and just enjoy. Give me the heat. And then over here, we got the bathtub. I've never really been big into taking baths, but maybe I'll take one day. I don't know. It's a nice, pretty big bathtub there, though. So that's basically my bedroom. We got the TV. Just the 65-inch LG, or actually Samsung TV. And then if we go back here now, this is probably my actual favorite part of the whole house. You ready for this? I'm excited. My new truck. I just got a brand new truck here in Orlando. I still have the Bronco, by the way. People were like, where's the Bronco at? I still have the Bronco. This is the all-new Raptor. 2023 Ford Raptor. There's my baby. I actually just got a new bumper put on it. We got the 37-inch tires. We got the upper control arms done. The Mac Daddy. When it comes to trucks, you ain't beating the Ford Raptor. 2023, bought it brand new, 0 miles on it from the dealership. This is like, I think they call it Azure Blue is the color. Beautiful truck. And yeah, this is my new baby. My new baby here. The Ford Raptor, pretty stoked on it. 4-door, got the full leather interior, all the fun stuff. Got new wheels on it as well. And I love this fact about the house as well. There's this long driveway. This long driveway goes all the way to the back. So I'll have plenty of room for the Raptor. I'll have plenty of room for the Bronco. And then hopefully, if I need to, I'm hoping that I'm gonna get a boat really soon. And I don't need to park the boat here, but if I need to one night park the boat here, there's plenty of room to park the boat. And what's cool about this house, what's really cool about this house is this right here. I'm not gonna show you guys yet because it's not finished. I'm still working on it. I still got all the stuff coming this week. I bought like $10,000 worth of Rogue workout equipment. And this is a 2-car garage. There's a ton of room in there. And I'm gonna build out basically like this badass, really cool workout gym at my house for like me and my buddies just to go in there and pump metal. We got the squat rack, we got the rower, we got the bike, we got the squat, we got everything. We got bars, we got 600 pounds of weights coming, we got dumbbells, kettlebells, boxes. We're gonna put turf in there. It's gonna be really, really cool. So I'm really stoked about that because I'll have my own personal gym now, and I'll do a video soon showing you guys how that looks when it's all finished up. So pretty much the setup. We got my master bedroom that goes right into the garage, and yeah, everything you need to survive and be the peak top trader, top step trader, baby. So there it is. New truck, new house. We're living in Orlando. Life's good. I'll see you guys Monday morning, baby. Let's go.